Let's take a look at this rug tape. So here's my rug here, and this is how it's like every single day. No exaggeration, every single day I'm having to constantly do this. All day long, every time somebody walks by. So we're gonna fix that with this double-sided tape here. This is waterproof. They say it's long-lasting, easy to install, no residue, and it's a very strong adhesion. So this is double-sided tape for your carpets. So let's give this a go. I am so excited to be able to do this. So it does have a good thickness here. You can see the adhesion there, and I'm just going to put some actually on the carpet itself. I think I'm going to put it right here. And what I'll end up doing is putting it all the way around the carpet. And let's see. You can tear it if you want. And what I'm going to end up doing is putting it all the way around the carpet, I think. But for now, I'm just going to have it on the edge here to show you. Really, it's up to you. Some people just put it on the edge. Some put it all the way around. So now that it's on there, I'm going to press it down. And I'm starting with putting it on the carpet first versus the floor, because I feel like laying it out on the floor, it's going to be a lot easier for me to kind of decide, okay, I want it right here, and see it doesn't have the sticky part yet until I peel this off. So I can kind of, move this around to figure out where I want it. So all you have to do at that point is just peel it off, and you can see here you're left with the mesh tape. So you'll just peel this completely off here. Like so. And then you're going to, I kind of wrap it down like that and press it down, okay? And then it's not going to move. And that is the beauty of it. It's going to stay put. That is what we want. Look at that. I haven't taped this side down yet. That was on purpose to kind of show you this is the part that's not. And you could see here the adhesion is working great. So I do think if I taped it all the way around, it would be super strong. I might even throw some tape in the middle, maybe a few pieces just kind of here and there throughout. That is what we are looking for. That is fantastic. So excited about this. They also give you a large amount here. So here is a look at it. It works great. I'm so excited about this. What a fantastic addition to my carpet at home.